How to change language in NotebookLM. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on NotebookLM. So let's get started. First of all, open any of your search engine and go to the search bar and search for NotebookLM. And if you wish to change the language, when you come to settings, you'll be able to see that there is no language option over here. Even if you click on device, you'll be able to see there are other options, but there's no language option. So even when you click on this profile icon, you'll be able to see that there is no change language option. So first thing you got to do is that make sure and know that which email you have been logged into. So here you can see that I've been logged in with this email, and after that you can click on this plus icon, go to another tab and search for Google account settings. So just type in Google account settings and then click on enter. And after that, a couple of options will be here. So what you got to do is click on this one. That is myaccount.google.com. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to this interface. So first of all, make sure that you have logged in with the same Google account that you have logged in with your NotebookLM. Then go to the search bar and search for languages. So just type in languages and after that, press enter, and this is the option language. So just click on it, scroll down, and here will be a couple of languages. So what you got to do is click on this pencil icon. So when you click on pencil icon, you have to search for the language that you wish to change in. For example, I want to change it into French, so I'm going to click on French and then select which French. So I'm going to click on France, then just click on save. And now the page will get loaded and you can see that the language has been changed to French. Then go back to your NotebookLM and just reload the page and you'll be able to see that the language of NotebookLM has successfully been changed to French. So now if you wish to change the language back to English, you can go back and then click on this pencil icon again, search for English. So I'm just going to search for English and then click on English and select that which country's English you wish to select. So I'm going to scroll all the way down till I find United here. So I'm going to click on United States, just click on End Register, and here you can see that over here that when you reload the NotebookLM, the language has changed back to English. So that was how you can change language on NotebookLM. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.